LeetCode 155 min stack problem. It's an implementation problem where we have to implement a class called min stack that is going to have regular functions like push, pop, top, and an additional function called getMin, which will return in big of one-time complexity the minimum that has been added to our stack so far. So the solution is really simple. We're going to have a stack, and instead of adding one value, we're going to add two values. Let's say if we have been asked to push -1, we're going to push -1 as the first value of our tuple. Then we're also going to add the minimum that we have seen so far. So right now it's -1. Then we have another push operation. Then we will be pushing -5. That will be the top of the stack. Then we will check what should be now my current minimum that I've seen so far. So I've seen on the top of my stack is -1 as my min. So I will check the minimum value between -5 and -1. So I'll add -5 here. So I'll make that decision. Now the top of my stack is right here. So I can return and access the top of my stack anytime I want to. Now next operation here is getMin. So if I'm going to get minimum, then I will be returning the second value. This will be the minimum that I will be returning. All right, so that's easy. So now we have easy access to our minimum. Next operation is pop. So we will be popping this right from here, but since we have removed -5 and also -5 as minimum from the top of the stack, so now my top of my stack is now at -1, and also my -1 is minimum value so far. So if I do get minimum right now, so that will return -1. So this is a really easy solution, and you can basically implement the same solution that you implement for a regular stack: push, pop, top, and for getMin, just try to access the second value that you are adding. All right, I think a lot of people use two stacks in this problem. You don't have to, just use one, and make sure you add the tuple and access value appropriately. Bye bye.